it's Leo from Leonardo's lab, and we all love strawberries, right? Well, did you know by washing them, it doesn't get rid of all the pesticides? So I will be showing you how to really do it. Alright, first we're gonna dump the strawberries in some water. Then we're gonna take about half a cup of vinegar. And finally, about 2 tablespoons of baking soda. Then watch the magic happen. Alright, we're gonna let it sit for a little bit, and then what we're gonna do is put the strawberries back in the strainer. And then rinse them with water.
I love strawberries. Let me take a bite of these. I love strawberries so much. Yum.
Thanks for watching so much. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye!